In this tutorial, we will overview the Cirkud Media Center interface. Starting from the top left is the Power button. Power options include Reload Interface. Reload Interface updates your content. Reboot option restarts your Android TV box. Search button. Search your local library. Search add-ons. Search the movie database. Notification. View the latest notifications here. Profile. Create additional user profiles. Change user profiles or edit your user profile. Menu options. Media Center settings. Device TV settings. Regional settings. Customize main menu. Customize home menu. Customize search. Enable or disable home menu icon. Enable or disable custom menu icon. Enable or disable edit menu. Interface overview. Tutorial videos. System update. View type. Change view type from horizontal to vertical. Or vice versa. Home screen. The home screen has 5 sections: Widget section, Shortcuts, Apps, Recommended Apps, Cirkud Tools and Support. Home screen sections can be customized by enabling or disabling the sections not required. To enable or disable, click on the left navigational button until the Home Menu Options window opens. In Home Menu Options, you can 1. Edit Home Widget. 2. Enable or disable widget. 3. Enable or disable shortcuts. 4. Enable or disable My Apps. 5. Enable or disable recommendations. Application screen. The application screen has 7 sections: App Stores, Categories, Android apps, Video add-ons, Music add-ons, Program add-ons, and Picture add-ons. Favorites screen. Your favorite content can be accessed from the Favorites screen. History screen. Your viewing history can be accessed from the History screen. Movies screen. Access movie streaming apps and your personal movie library from the Movie screen. Music screen. Access music streaming apps and your personal music library from the Music screen. TV screen. Access live TV streaming apps from the TV screen. Weather screen. See the weather forecast in your location from the Weather screen. Edit menu. Customize main menu, home menu, or enable main menu options from the Edit menu screen. This concludes the overview of the Cirkud Media Center interface.